दोस्तों हमारे चैनल वी ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने हैं प्रैक्टिस सेट तो सामान्य अध्ययन। द कल्टिवेशन ऑफ फूड स्टार्टिंग इन न्यू स्टोन एज, मेसोलिथिक एज, पैलकोलिथिक एज, प्रोटो हिस्टोरिक एज, न्यू स्टोन। Which site of the Indus Valley civilization is located in Pakistan now? A. Kalibanga, B. Harappa, C. Lothal, D. Alamgirpur, Harappa. Which among the following was with Alauddin Khilji in his south expedition? Hasan Nizami, B. Minhaj, C. Amir Khosrow, D. Jayuddin Baroni. Amir Khosrow. During which ruling period tobacco cultivation started in India? A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Shahjahan, D. Aurangzeb. Jahangir. The British general who defeated Hyder Ali in the Battle of Port Noah. Captain Profem, Sir Eyre Coote, Sir Hector Munro, General Goddard. Sir Eyre Coote. Who was the British Prime Minister during the revolt in 1857? Churchill, Palmerston, Attlee, Gladstone. Palmerston. In 1920, which of the following changed its name to Swaraj Sabha? All India Home Rule League, Hindu Mahasabha, South Indian Liberal Federation, Determinants of India Society. Where is Phoenix Farm? A. Surajgarh, B. Essex, England, C. Durban, South Africa, D. Kampala, C. Durban, South Africa. The Himalayas are formed of parallel fold ranges, in which the oldest range is a Shivalik range, B. Lesser Himalaya, the Greater Himalayan range, the Dhauladhar range, C. Great Himalayan range. Which are the following mountain ranges is spread over only one state in India? A. Aravalli, B. Satpura, C. Ajanta, D. Sahyadri, C. Ajanta. The energy of sun is generated by a first nuclear fission, by ionization, by nuclear fusion, by oxidation, by nuclear fusion. Where is the Great Victorian Desert located? A. Australia, B. India, C. Egypt, D. North America, Australia. Under which of the following act Supreme Court was established in Calcutta? Regulating Act 1773, Council of India Act 1861, Government of India Act 1935, Indian Constitution 1950, Regulating Act 1773. The reformation of states in linguistic basis was held in 1956, B. 1960, C. 1962, D. 1970, 1956. Fundamental rights cannot be suspended, can be suspended by the order of the Prime Minister, may be suspended on the will of President, may be suspended during emergency, may be suspended during emergency. In the Indian political system, the executive works under A. Judiciary, B. Legislature, C. Election Commission, D. Only Public Service Commission, Legislature. The President can expend the contingency fund. A. During national energy emergency, B. Post parliamentary approval, C. Before parliamentary approval, C. D. Cannot respond before parliamentary approval. In which year was the Human Poverty Index developed? A. 1991, B. 1995, C. 1997, D. 2001, 1997. Frequency is measured in A. hertz, B. meter, C. radian, D. watt, hertz. Stethoscope used by doctor work on the principle of A. deviation, B. reflection, C. refraction, D. imposition of sound wave. Which gas is produced by plastic? Polynitrogen, polyhydrogen, polychlorine, polyethylene, polyethylene. The brain is responsible for thinking, regulating the heartbeat, balancing the body. All of the above three. All of the above three. World Environmental Facility started in 1985, B in 1989, C 1991, D 1994, 1991. Which radioactive pollutant has recently drawn the attention of the public due to its occurrence in the building material? A. Plutonium, B. Thorium, C. Radon, D. Radium, thorium. The five number whose mean is 105. The first is 255 times the sum of the other four. The other first number is A 135, B 140, C 145, D 150. 150. Ramesh sold a box at 10% profit to Suresh. Suresh sold it to Ganesh at 20% profit. If Suresh profit is 44, then the cost price of the box for Ramesh is A 200 rupees, B 150 rupees, C 100 rupees, D 250 rupees, 200 rupees. A father and a son working together can finish a piece of work in 24 days. If for the last 6 days the father alone works, then the work is finished in 26 days. In how many days can the son alone finish the work? A 72, B 70, C 68, D 66. 72. Which are the following cars with the speed given below is fastest? A 90 km per hour, B 25 meter per second, C 1500 meter per minute, D 100 km per hour. 100 km per hour. Which state secured first place in Swachh Bharat award? A Gujarat, B Maharashtra, C Uttar Pradesh, D Bihar. Gujarat. Which group will be sponsors of the Indian team in the Tokyo Olympics? A Geo Group, B Byju's, C Inox Group, D Unacademy. Inox Group. A drone capable of providing accurate surveillance information to the Indian Army has been developed by which institute? A DRDO, B ISRO, C HAL, DIT Kanpur. DRDO, which has become the first woman to receive the War Service Medal in the following: A Minty Agrawal, D Avani Chaturvedi, B C Bhavna Kand, D Shivangi Singh. Minty Agrawal. According to World Transition Index 2020, which of the following is not correctly matched? A Norway 4th, Sweden 1st, India 74, हाइटी 150, नॉर्वे। उत्तर प्रदेश के किस नगर में भारत का क्षेत्रीय सांस्कृतिक केंद्र स्थित है? वाराणसी, लखनऊ, इलाहाबाद, मेरठ। इलाहाबाद। भारत में नलकूप एवं कूप से सिंचित अधिकतम क्षेत्र वाला राज्य है? उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश, पंजाब। उत्तर प्रदेश। जैसे लंबा किसी वस्तु से संबंध उसी तरह तीव्र संबंध निम्नलिखित में से किससे? ए मुलायम, बी धीमा, सी तीसरा ध्वनि, चौथा स्वर ध्वनि। 13 13 14 15 18 27 43 में अगली संख्या होगी ए 47, बी 51, सी 59, डी 68। 5 किताबें ए बी सी डी और ई एक मेज पर रखी है। किताब डी किताब सी के नीचे है तथा किताब बी किताब ई के नीचे है। किताब ए किताब बी के ऊपर लेकिन बी के नीचे है। सबसे ऊपर और सबसे नीचे रखी किताबें होंगी क्रमशः डी और ई एंड डी, ए एंड डी, ई एंड बी, ई एंड डी। संघाई सहयोग संगठन के शासनाध्यक्षों का 19वां नियमित शिखर सम्मेलन 30 नवंबर 2020 को वर्चुअल बैठक में भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व किसने किया था? ए नरेंद्र मोदी, सी बी वेंकैया नायडू, सी रामनाथ कोविंद, डी एस जयशंकर। वेंकैया नायडू। नवंबर 2020 में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समुद्री संगठन की समुद्री सुरक्षा समिति ने किस देश के क्षेत्रीय नेविगेशन को मान्यता दी? ए भारत, बी जापान, सी ऑस्ट्रेलिया, डी जर्मनी। भारत। Pyrrole does not show basic properties because nitrogen atom is sp2 hybrid lone pair on nitrogen is delocalized with p orbital of the carbon. Nitrogen is linked with two sp2 hybridized carbon atom. It is planar molecule. Lone pair on nitrogen is delocalized with p electron of the carbon. The reagent used for distinction between first degree, second degree, and third degree alcohol is A. Escape reagent, B. Hinsworth reagent, C. Tolerance reagent, D. Lucas reagent. The pH of the solution obtained by mixing 25 ml of 0.2 molarity HCl and 50 ml of 0.25 molarity NaOH will be given Kw equal 10 power minus 14 25 million euro. A10, B11, C12, D13 30. Strongest AT among HCl, SBr and HI is HCl, HBr, HI and HI. An aqueous solution of copper sulfate is acidic. Neutral basic compound is acidic. Which one of the following is not an electrophile? AHSIF4, F5 neodymium, BH3CH2H. The sequence of stability of carbon anion SC triple bond C CH2B. Match list first A electrophilic substitution. Pyridine Lander synthesis is for isoquinoline, quinone, pyridine, quinoline. Which one of the following will give a positive isoform test? CH3OH, CH3CH2, CH2, CH3OH, CH3CHOH, CH2, CH3, CH5, CH2OH. Which of the following compounds will not give yellow precipitate with I2NaOH? A. Ethanol, B. Acetone, C. Diethyl ketone, D. acetophenone, C. diethyl ketone. Pyridine does not react with AHNO3 H2SO4, B. H2SO4 SO3, C. CH3KOH, D. NaC2H5OH. CHCl3KOH. How many moles of periodic acid are needed for the complete cleavage of 1 mole of glucose into formaldehyde and formic acid 3B4C5D6 5 alpha D plus glucose and beta D glucose are conformers, epimers, anomers, enantiomers, conformers. Protein do not respond to Lucas agent, Burette agent, Halal agent, and hydrogen Lucas agent, which are another acids exists in deuterion form. A oxalic acid, B amino acid, C succinic acid, D sulfuric acid, amino acid. When cytopyramic acid is heated with hexamethylene diamine at 270 degrees Celsius, then the polymer produced is nylon 6 Keolar, nylon 6 is nylon 6 is having the following a pair representing tautomeric CH3 CH2CN and CH3 CH2NC, CH3 CH2 CHO and CH3 COCH, CH3 CO CH3 CH2 double bond COH CH3 CH3 का whole thrice CH CH2 3 CH2 का whole twice CH3 C double bond CH above the plane, below the plane C double OH OH double C OS O5 O4 H2 H2 A dextro tartaric acid B dextro tartaric acid dextro levo tartaric acid meso tartaric acid meso tartaric acid. How many signals will vinyl chloride have in one NMR spectroscopy? A second B first C 3 D fourth. The maximum energy required for the transition of electron in each atom is N1 equal to N1 2 N2 equal to 2 N1 equal to 2 N2 equal to 3 N1 equal to 4 2 N2 equal to 5 N1 is equal to 3 2 N2 equal to 4 N1 is equal to 1 2 N2 बराबर 2 4s orbitals has lesser energy than 3d orbital because it has greater value of n lesser value of l lesser value of n plus 1 l बराबर 0 lesser value of n plus 1 which are the following represents the intrinsic momentum of photon A h by lambda B h C h c lambda by h c by lambda D h square h by lambda. The elements be diagonally similar to Al because of their comparable atomic size, similar electronic configuration being S block element, none of their comparable atomic size. Which one of the out of the following is correct? Ionization is energy directly proportional to electronegativity is inversely proportional to 1 upon atomic size. Ionization energy is inversely proportional to 1 upon electronegativity directly proportional to atomic size. Ionization is directly proportional to electronegativity directly proportional to atomic size. 1 upon ionization energy is directly proportional to electronegativity is inversely proportional to electronegativity is directly proportional to atomic size. Ionization energy directly proportional to electronegativity is inversely proportional to 1 upon atomic size. Among the element K, B, RB, C, and Cl, the first ionization potential varies in order Ca, Kb, Rb, Cs, K, Rb, Cs, 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 Rb, K, Cs, Ca, Cs, Rb, K. Ca, K, Rb, Cl. Following acid have been arranged in the order of decreasing order is ClOHI, BrOHI, double IOHI third. First is greater than second is greater than third. Which are the following molecule involves pi bonding CH3 का whole thrice and SiF6 2 minus NH3 none of the B. SiF6. Consider the following. Arrange these in the increasing order of their acid using codes. A first 4 2 3 3 4 2 1 C 1 2 3 4 D 2 4 1 3 1 4 2 3. Which are the following is correctly matched? I is bond ionic bond, B is here to covalent bond, SO2 coordinate and covalent bond, Na hydrogen bond coordinate and covalent bond. C. The high density of water than ice is due to A hydrogen bonding interaction, B dipole interaction, C dipole induced dipole interaction, D induced dipole induced dipole interaction. Hydrogen bonding interaction. Which are the following evidence found in the formation of IF7? sp3d2 B d2sp3 C sp3d D dsp3d3 sp3d3. Which are the following molecules is paramagnetic? AH2 BF2 C N2 DO2 O2 beta. I2 plus ion is diamagnetic, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, and other is paramagnetic. The number of unpaired electrons in the complex NiCl4 2 minus and NiCu4 are 2 and 2, 1 and 2, 2 and 0, 3 and 2, 2 and 0. The IPSC name of CuClNO2En whole twice Cl is chloro nitrobis ethylene diamine cobaltic third chloride chloro nitrobis ethylene diamine cobalt second chloride chlorobis ethylene diamine nitro cobalt third chloride, base ethylene, amine, diamine, chloro, nitro, cobalt, ethyl chloride. C वाला. According to Werner, in the complex form, primary valency is non-aligned, secondary valency is ionizable. Primary valency is ionizable. Both primary and secondary valency are ionizable. Primary valency is ionizable. Roots of madder plants contains indigo, alizarin, saffron, crystal violet, alizarin. Blood contains CO3 minus, SCO3 minus, CuN2CO3, SCO3 minus. The oxidation number of sulfur in S8, S2, F2 and S2S respectively are 0 plus 1 and minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2, 0 plus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2, 0 plus 1 minus 2. What is the correct order of reducing ability in the following? S2O, S2S, S2SC, S2AT, S2O, S2S, S2SC, S2T, S2O, S2S, S2S, S2T, S2S, S2, S2SC, S2TA. Number of electron taking in the following chemical reaction is 12 OH minus plus Br2, 2 BrO3, 6 S2 plus an electron, 5, 7, 10, 12, 7, 10, which would act as both oxidizing and reducing agent. A SO2, B NO2, C Al2O3, D CrO3, A SO2. Molecular weight of sodium bromate is 151.1. What will be the amount of sodium bromate to prepare 100 ml of 0.5 in solution when the half cell reaction is BrO3 6H plus 6 electron, Br3H2 12.5, 1.26, 1.51, 15.1.26. In oxygen dihydrogen fuel cell, the complex reaction is as follows. The complete reaction is follows: H2 plus O2, H2, O2, H2 plus O, H2O, H plus OH, H2O, H2 plus half O2, H2, H2 plus half O2, H2. Metals which are accepted by the process of hydrometallurgy are sodium and copper, silver and sodium, silver and gold, iron and silver, silver and gold. The half-life of 14C third is 57 30 years. What fraction of the original 40C would remain after 11 468 years? A 0.125, 0.250, 0.025, 0.0015. B. In basic nucleus X which give 14 and 7 on emission of 2 beta orbit, what is the number of neutrons? A 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. In the nuclear reaction, Li 3, 7 plus neutrino, 2 He4 helium plus X represent neutron, beta particle, proton, alpha particle, beta particle. Among the following, the correct statement is surface tension of a liquid decreases with rising temperature. Surface tension has units of force per unit length. Surface active agent lower than surface tension of water. When cohesion is greater than adhesion, the liquid is said to be wet the wall. Surface tension of liquid decreases with rising temperature. 0.2 molar K2SO4 solution freezes at 1.1 degrees Celsius. Kf for water is 1.8 degree and dissociation is A 87.5, B 90%, C 92.5, D 97.5, 97.5%. Which one of the following colloids has so largest golden number? A gelatin, B gum, C albumin, D starch. Osmotic pressure of 5% solution of sugar and atomic at 42 at 50 degrees Celsius are 4 atm, 3.64 atm, 6 atm, 2.45 atm, 3.46 atm. In the kinetic study of reaction, a product is length larger when the graph between T and 1 upon C square was plotted. The reaction is a second order, third order, zero order, first order, third order. In the synthesis of NH3 by hyper process, P and Al2O3 used behave respectively as catalyst and catalytic promoter, catalyst and catalytic poison, catalytic promoter and catalyst, catalytic poison and catalytic and catalytic promoter. Carboxypeptidase enzyme of which metal? AFPBMG, CCUZDZN. A reaction is carried out separately at a different pressure and a different value, in which the number of moles changes by delta and the heat of reaction produced in both the processes are related to each other as follows. Delta H equal to delta E minus delta N RT. Delta H equal to delta E plus RT upon delta N. Delta H equal to delta E plus RT power delta N. Delta H equal to delta E plus delta N RT. Delta H equal to delta E plus N delta N RT. The maximum work that can be obtained from a system is represented by A minus delta G minus delta F minus delta S, delta is equal to delta S minus T delta minus delta S. For spontaneous change reaction, which are the following have negative value of constant temperature and pressure: A delta A, B delta G, H C delta G, D delta minus delta G not delta G. Most probable velocity of hydrogen molecules at 27 degree will be A 15.8 10 power into 10 power 4, 19.3 to 10 power 4, 17.8 into 10 power 8, 24.93 10 to 10 power 9 to 15.8 to the power 4. The relation D1 T1 equal to D2 D2 can be derived from A Charles law, B Graham law, B C Avogadro, D Boyle's law, Graham law. In which of the following case entropy decreases: solid changing to liquid, expansion of gases, crystals dissolve, polymerization. If the value of Kp is X for the reaction A plus B AB, the value of Kp for the reaction 2A plus 2B 2AB will be X 2x x square 2x square x square. If the value of equilibrium constant for dissociation of PCl by at 300 degrees Celsius is 0.0625 mole inverse, then the value of equilibrium constant is 0.0625, 6.25, 62.5, 2.94, 2.94. Activation energy of a chemical reaction can be determined by evaluating rate constant at standard temperature, evaluating velocity of the reaction at two different temperature, evaluating rate constant at two different temperature. None of the C. Evaluating rate constant at two different temperature, which is correct relation for the salt of a strong acid, weak acid and a weak base. Kb is equal to Kw upon K, Kh is equal to Kw upon Ke into Kb, Kh is equal to Kw into Ka upon Kb, Kh is equal to Kw into Kb upon Ka, Kh is equal to Kw into Ka into Kb, Kh is equal to Kw upon Ka into Kb. The suitable indicator for titration of HCl against NH4OH is methyl lead, cresol lead, thymal lead, blue, methyl orange. Sugar is decolorized by the animal charcoal. Anti-dyeing, absorption, C oxidation, D adsorption. Which one of the following will not show hyperconjugation? A CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 plus CH3 CH2 CH3 CH CH3 CH3 CH2. Which of the following compound is least basic? CH3 CH2 CH2 4 NH2 H3 CH2 को whole twice NH CH2 को whole twice CH3 benzene NH NO2 C. What is the correct order of basicity of C2H5NH2 C2H5 whole twice NH C2H5 whole thrice NH3 and C6H5NH2 C2H5 whole twice NH C2H5 whole thrice N C2H5NH2 NH3 is greater than C6H5NH2 C2H5 whole NH whole twice NH C2H5NH2 CNH3 C2H5 whole thrice N C6H5NH2 C2H5 whole twice NH C2H5 NH2 NH3 C2H5 NH2 C2H5 whole thrice N C2H5 whole twice N NH C2H5 whole NH NH2 C2H5 whole thrice N C6H5 NH2 NH3 A C2H5 whole twice NH C2H5 whole thrice N C2H5 NH2 NH3 C6H5 NH2. Consider the following alcohols. The decreasing order of their reactivity for nucleophilic addition with HBr is 1242, 1432, 2431, 3142, 3142. Most acidic phenol, orthocresol, metacresol, paracresol, phenol. When acetaldehyde is heated with failing solution, it gives a precipitate of copper Cu2O, Cu plus Cu2O, Cu2O, MeCCH3, CH2Cl, aqueous NaOH, Me2, CCH2MeOH is an example of SN2 reaction, B SN1 reaction, C SE1 reaction, SE2 reaction, SN1 reaction. The SN2 reaction is maximum when the solvent is CH3OH, H2O, DMSO, benzene, DMSO. Identify the compound is from the following C. In the following reaction, the A and B will be H2H plus H2O, acidic methyl alcohol, acetic acid, H2H plus. When the diazoxide chloride when reactive with hypophosphorus acid produces a phenol, B benzene, C chlorobenzene, D phenyl phosphate benzene. Benzaldehyde gives on reaction with ammonia, A aniline, B benzamide, C aldimine, D hydrobenzamide. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा दोस्तों, धन्यवाद।